on my personal handle at Doris Anki on X. Let us continue to inform you. And in our top story, now impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has moved to the Court of Appeal to stop the proceedings of the High Court set for Tuesday, challenging his impeachment pending the determination of his appeal. In the latest case that is likely to further delay his impeachment, Gachagua has appealed against a decision that found Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu acted lawfully when she constituted a three-judge bench to hear cases touching on his ouster. The three-judge bench had on Friday, in a ruling, dismissed a case filed by Gachagua through his lawyers, seeking to have them recuse themselves from hearing the cases questioning their impartiality. Now we have the latest, and here's Jeff Kirui with the details.
After dealing with preliminary issues, including those that sought to have the three-judge bench recuse themselves over questions on the impartiality raised by Gachagua, Justices Eric Ogola, Anthony Mrima and Freda Mugambi had ruled for hearing to begin Tuesday. However, Gachagua, through his lawyers, yet again laid a stumbling block by moving to stop the proceedings pending the determination of an appeal against a decision that found that Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu acted lawfully when he constituted a three-judge bench to hear cases touching on his ouster. A move that grants impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua another extension at the helm. Gachagua, in his appeal, wanted the appellate court to suspend the proceedings before the High Court, which resumes on Tuesday. In the past few weeks, Gachagua suffered legal blow after another in his attempts to block his impeachment. He failed to convince the court that the judges sitting on the case were not fit for purpose. Further, he challenged the decision by the Chief Justice to appoint the panel of three. All his initial applications fell flat, and now the case is on, with the very judges, Justices Eric Ogola, Anthony Mrima and Freda Mugambi, he attempted to remove from the bench.
Let the courts of law uphold and protect our Constitution. I ask the Chief Justice, Martha Koome, to live true to the fidelity of our Constitution, to make sure that this is a country of the rule of law, to allow the court process to take place and ensure that this process is not nugatory.
During the hearing, the Attorney General, the National Assembly and the Senate will be seeking to overturn conservatory orders issued by the High Court in Kerugoya, halting the swearing-in of Deputy President nominee Professor Kithure Kindiki after Parliament unanimously approved him to replace Gachagua.
There are orders asking that Rigathi Gachagua remain in office until this matter is heard and determined. Let it be.
More than 30 petitions have been filed challenging the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua. The latest being a petition filed on Friday, adding another hurdle to the swearing-in of Professor Kithure Kindiki. A petitioner, Joseph Enoch Aura, argued that Kenyans from constituencies that are yet to be filled through by-elections were denied a chance to participate in the impeachment process. Through his lawyer, he argues that Parliament did not conduct public participation in Magarini, Ugunja and Banisa constituencies, whose residents needed to have their voices heard before Rigathi was impeached or participated in Kindiki's appointment. As the court processes continue, Rigathi Gachagua, who had revealed that his security had been withdrawn hours after his impeachment, has part of his security, especially those guarding his private home, reinstated but scaled down to that of a VIP former senior government official. Jeff Kirui, KTN News.
Now, in the spirit of the education, over